Sick of hunting around for the right tool? Looking to clean up the garage and get rid of some of that clutter? ToolPRO has made your life a lot easier with their new all-in-one 30-piece screwdriver set. The kit includes a good combination of screwdrivers that should cover you for most jobs around the home, and are colour-coded to help distinguish between types. The grey screwdriver acts as an all-in-one multi-tool, featuring a magnetic tip which allows it to take any of the 10 bits mounted to the front. If that's not enough, each screwdriver has the pattern and size printed on the top of the handle. ToolPRO screwdrivers are made with a high-quality chrome vanadium construction, giving the screwdrivers extra hardening strength, great for those more stubborn jobs around the home. But the chrome coating also helps prevent against corrosion and rust. The tips are constructed of magnetised steel, and the handle features ergonomic plastic grips with rubber handles, giving them a really nice feel. Grab the 30-piece screwdriver set from ToolPRO exclusively at Supercheap Auto and keep all of your screwdrivers organised all of the time.